Hey friends of YouTube, welcome to the One Kid Couple channel. My name is Hattie. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we are going to Enchanted Rock State Natural Area, about 20 minutes outside of Fredericksburg, Texas. So Enchanted Rock is a really popular state park to visit for a day trip. And just so you're aware, the fees are $8 per person for anyone 13 years of age and older. Children 12 and under are free. And you can make day pass reservations 30 days ahead of time at the park's website, which I will link in the description below. So Enchanted Rock is a pink granite dome that you can hike up. And once you're up at the top, you get 360-degree views of the Texas Hill Country. The granite dome itself is 1,823 feet up, and it's 0.8 miles one way. There are a total of 11 miles of hiking trails at the park. There's also areas of the park where you can do rock climbing, you can have picnics. There's a lake within the park, and one of the best things that you can do at Enchanted Rock is stargaze. And I'll talk about that a little bit more later. We're not there yet. Oh gosh. Onward and upward.
Isn't that bad?
Okay. All right, so the park has an events page, and if you go to that section of their website, you'll see that they offer things such as guided hikes, star talks, stargazing opportunities, birding opportunities, all kinds of family-friendly activities for you to partake in if that is something that interests you. And Enchanted Rock is also considered an international dark sky park, so stargazing at that park in particular is really good, especially during specific times of the year. The trail, if the map says the trail is challenging, it definitely is challenging. Alex.
Start the truck from up here so it warms up. There's probably more concentrations of carbon up here too.
Oh, you think so?
Yes.
And you're gonna what?
I wonder if I can remote start the truck from up here.
Well, we can try. I mean, I think it'll turn off by the time we get down there. Okay, so I wanted to bring up some other important items. If you have any kind of fear of heights, it can be a little scary on the way down the rock. So you have any kind of mobility issues, you may have a hard time with this hike. It is considered a challenging hike. To be honest with you, even if you only go halfway up the hill to the sign where it says Enchanted Rock, you'll still get really great views of the hill country. if you've worked up an appetite after all that hiking, make sure you check out the food offerings available at the park. If you're visiting on a weekend, there should be a food truck. When we visited, there was a Kona Ice truck that was selling snacks, snow cones, coffee, and cocoa. And in that same area is the bathrooms. Now, the actual bathrooms were closed when we visited. However, they did have a number of porta potties available, and they were very clean. And they also had hand washing or hand sanitizing stations right outside of that. So it wasn't too bad. Well, friends, I hope you decide to take this hike if you're in the Fredericksburg area or the Hill Country area of Texas. And if you do and you found any of the tips helpful, please let me know in the comments below. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.